We all want to look younger, so we become worried about the wrinkles that appear on our forehead, and thus we use expensive creams and lotions in the hope of being able to get rid of these wrinkles. But we don't know that these products are loaded with dangerous chemicals that actually do more harm than good. This is the reason I decided to show you this natural recipe which can get rid of wrinkles on your forehead and make your skin smooth and shiny quickly. This recipe contains only 3 ingredients and provides effects in only a week. It causes no side effects and is inexpensive, and at the same time slow down the aging process and deep cleans your pores. Now, I will share this recipe with you. All you need is a few ingredients and they are super easy to find. The first ingredient is green tea. This ingredient is full of nutrients and antioxidants, which keeps skin supple and soft and doesn't let age and stress show on your forehead. Green tea is chock full of vitamin B2 and vitamin E, both essential for youthful skin maintenance. Vitamin B2 plays an essential role in maintaining collagen levels for youthful skin structure and firmness. Vitamin E supports new skin cell growth and also acts as an intense hydrator for soft and nourished skin. Green tea also contains a powerful antioxidant called EGCG that fights DNA damage from UV rays to prevent skin cancer. In addition to applying a green tea mask, regular intake of it as a beverage can give you radiant glow and spotless skin. Now, we start to make the mask by preparing a green tea bag. Then, open the tea bag and get the content out into a bowl. Next, we combine green tea with honey. Ensure the honey you are buying is raw. Make sure to check the label. Honey is full of antioxidants. It protects your skin against free radicals, slows down the aging process, and prevents wrinkles on your forehead. Regular use of honey mask can give you bright, dewy, spotless skin, plump, supple, and perfectly balanced. Best of all, honey is suitable for all skin types. Now, add 2 teaspoons of raw honey into the bowl of green tea. Finally, we combine everything with baking soda. The reason I add this ingredient as it helps exfoliate the skin that removes the dead skin cells along with impurities from grime, dirt, pollution that settle on the skin. This makes skin feel smoother after you wash it off. Plus, a clean skin helps to better absorb the nutrients of the mask. You only need to add half a teaspoon of baking soda for this mask. Mix all ingredients together. You need a paste-like consistency. If it is too runny, add more green tea. If it is too thick, add more honey. After preparing your mask, there are a few steps before application. First, you need to remove all makeup and dirt with a gentle face wash and pat your skin dry. Also, apply a toner to make your skin ready for your mask. Then, apply this mask on your forehead by using your fingers or a makeup brush. If you have a leftover mask, apply it to your entire face, hands, or anywhere you have a wrinkled skin. Keep the mask on your skin for 10 minutes. If you have dry skin, you must keep the mask for 5 minutes. When the mask is dry, wash your face with cold water. Repeat this twice a week to get the best results.